In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, if you wish to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one of your contacts and drag it to the proper place. Then let go. To discard your changes, hit this X at the top left corner, and to save them, save at the top right one. To remove any of those contacts from the list, click on this X next to the one you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!